Keisha is coming here because service to the people has been a part of her passion from the very day she could walk. In one case, Northwest St. Andrew is just a stepping stone for someone who wants to give service somewhere. In the case of Keisha, her life and her desire is always to serve the people of Northwest St. Andrew. Let me tell you a little bit about what I know about Keisha here. She don't tell you herself already. I just give my interpretation. She's from the people. She come from Waltham Park Road. That's where she born. 77. Waltham Park Road. She come up and live in Northwest, on the border of Northwest and West Road. She has pulled herself up by her own efforts and her own passion through Meadowbrook High School, the University of the West Indies, and secured degrees in psychology and political science. This girl from the people, from Waltham Park Road, with a vision and a passion of service to the people. Her passion is education. She won the Cleaner Honor Award for Education in 2015 because the world beyond Padmore Primary School that she built and worked in has recognized her passion. When the school needed something and the money never enough, she mortgaged her house to put it into the service of people. It is hard to find greater love of people anywhere in this land.